In the previous video, we discussed what ions were. This raises an important question: what are ionic compounds? Put simply, ions bond together to form ionic compounds. But there's way more. Take the atoms chlorine and sodium for example. Since chlorine is more right on the periodic table, it will readily accept electrons. Per contra, sodium is more on the left, so it will lose electrons, or give them away. So if sodium gives 1 electron to chlorine, sodium will then have 11 protons and 10 electrons. Chlorine will then have 17 protons, the same amount, and 18 electrons, 1 more. Sodium has more protons than electrons, so it will be positively charged. However, chlorine has more electrons than protons. In that case, it will be negatively charged. If you remember Coulomb's law, you'll remember that opposite charges attract. We can write this as plus Q is attracted to negative Q. Now notice how the positively charged sodium ion and the negatively charged chlorine bond together to form sodium chloride, which is neutral and has no charge. Remember, this is an unbalanced equation. You can tell if a bond is ionic if a metal, which is found on the left of the periodic table, is bonded with a non-metal found on the right of the periodic table. Take lithium oxide for example. Lithium is found as a metal and oxygen is a non-metal. Why do ionic bonds occur? Atoms want a full valence shell. To do this, they need to gain or lose electrons accordingly. Consider this argon atom for example. It has 8 valence electrons, and it is a noble gas, meaning it is an inert element. Inert means not very reactive or non-reactive. This is why they don't involve in ion formation or bonding. That's all I have for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.